Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today with this DIY artwork piece. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And it looks so high-end, like a very fancy piece of art that you would find. Oh, wow, I love that. And then we have a cloud lantern dupe. So you can basically make the same thing. I think it's very easy to recreate. She has a paper lantern and then she's just kind of putting the cloud cotton on there. And then putting it up in the baby's room. So cute. All right, next up we have a DIY flower cat tree. So she's sharing with us all of the items that she uses for this. I love when creators do that so that if we want to replicate it, we can. This looks like a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie, but those cat trees are expensive. Like, they are pretty costly. It can easily run you like $100 or so. So if you can make your own, I say go for it. And the cat already seems to like it. She's trying to play with it as she's still making it and putting it together. Oh, that's funny. Oh, the flowers are so cute. I love the color scheme too. And she probably saved a lot of money making it herself. Alright, so here we have some type of martini inspired artwork piece. I feel like this would be like a cute girls' night in project to do with your girlfriends. So she's using like the little pearl pieces, which you can get at like Dollar Tree, Michael's. It's so cute and glam. I love this idea. And then of course you can have drinks while you're making it. Alright, so here we have a used tire that they're using for this DIY, probably making some type of ottoman. You can follow the creator there at the bottom of the screen or on TikTok. Wow. Oh, it has a glass table. Oh my gosh, it came out so good. I love the black and the gold. Wow. Absolutely stunning. I would never in a million years guess that this came from an old tire. Oh yeah, definitely check out that YouTube channel if you want to know how to make that in a slower step-by-step actionable process, because that table was stunning. And if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video if you want to see more DIY project ideas and see my reactions to them. Alright, so Halloween is right around the corner. I do have full DIY videos if you want to see more like Halloween inspired decor. But I'm just kind of sneaking them in here. So we have this cute ghost pillow here. That was really fun. And then we have another DIY coffee table. So it looks like she found these at TJ Maxx. And she pretty much just kind of decided to paint it all black. This is an easy one. You know, we always go out and we find like decor pieces that we might not entirely like or fit our aesthetic. But remember that you can always paint things. You can use a spray paint, you can use the hand paint. There's so many ways that you can easily change something to fit your own personal style. And I think the matte black looks so modern. This is definitely my kind of aesthetic and vibe. So I am loving this change that she made. And all she had to do was paint it. Ooh, where are we at? Oh, she's got a nice little view there from the window. All right, so here she is painting that vase. It looks like she added some type of gloss there too. That's a good way to kind of add some shine. Oh, she did a stone actually. Oh, look at this cute mirror DIY. So this one features just like a basic mirror. And then I wonder what she uses here. Oh, clay. So you can use the air clay and you don't have to worry about baking it. I've seen so many TikTok mirror designs with the clay being used. And typically, like we just saw, you see the flowers. I think this is cool how she just made like balls. That's really easy to do. Anyone can do that. You know, you're just taking it and rolling it into a ball. Nothing hard or complicated. Cute. Now you can leave it like this. Or be girly and add like the little pink bows, which are trending, the coquette trend. Very popular in fashion and home decor. I love that. That is just so fun and girly. I love it. Very cute. Making this old table look expensive. So like I said, there are so many ways that you can revamp a furniture piece and make it more your style or more modern or whatever. Wow. She made that table look like $1 million afterwards. Very cool. Maybe not $1 million, but a few thousands for sure. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.